Good afternoon, and thank you for taking the time to speak with us today. My name is Julian Miguel Paharion,
And this is Sarah Maria Humilla.
and we are currently a second-year nursing student from Riverside College Incorporated. This interview is part of our academic requirement, where we aim to understand how HIS, or Health Information Systems, are used in real healthcare settings. I truly appreciate your willingness to share your experience and insights as a nurse using HIS in your practice. The questions I'll be asking are designed to help us learn more about the benefits, challenges, and impact of HIS on patient care and nursing workflow. Feel free to share openly your perspective is valuable and will be treated with the utmost respect and confidentiality. Shall we begin? So first question is, can you walk me through your journey as a nurse, where you studied, when you graduated, and how you prepared for the board exams, and when did you pass the board exam?
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is I graduated from Colegio San Agustin, Bacolod last 2010, and I passed my board exam a year after. My preparation during the time before I did the board exam was answering thousands of questions a day through free online banks. I really discipline myself when it comes to the time management because your board examination has a time limit. So that's how I prepare for the board exam.
Thank you.
So let's proceed to the second question. So, where are you currently working? What is your role there, and how long have you been affiliated with this institution?
I am currently working in Riverside Medical Center, and have been working here for almost 2 years now.
So the third question is what health information system, or HIS, do you currently use, and how many years have you been using it in your practice?
I have experienced using electronic medical record and the BizBox, wherein we can utilize or access patients' information like their data, the personal information, the progress notes, medications, doctor's order, collaborations from different healthcare workers, particularly on a specific patient. And not only that, but also with the charges when it comes to your equipments and of course the billing. You will also see, you will also access information about those data.
Well, so could you share some background on the current HIS? So what system did you use before, and how they compare in terms of efficiency and usability?
Before the advancement of the technology, we used to utilize the traditional way of inputting our patients' information or assessment, right? Our findings from our patients through our patient's chart. And we write that using the pen, right, on the chart, and it is in a paper form. It is the old way of putting information about the patient. But nowadays, due to the advancement of technology and the convenience, nowadays people would like to live life conveniently, right, and efficiently. That's why they try to develop the HIS, or the EMR, or the BizBox.
Then, the fifth question is, what features or functions of the current HIS do you find most helpful in your daily nursing duties?
I believe it is the progress notes of the different providers. Not only the nurses, but also including the doctors, the physicians, the registrar, the consultant, and the rest of the collaborative team, such as your dietitian, the other collaboration. For example, if your patient is under cardio, right? If this patient has another problem, then another doctor who is, for example, in renal can also access the patient's information. So it's very convenient for us to see and to decide to manage what are we going to do with the patient in a real-time manner.
So is there a specific feature you particularly appreciate, and what makes it stand out for you?
The assessment of the patient, which is in a timely manner. For example, if I'm going to assess the patient, I can just directly go to the application or to the system wherein I have to check. For example, if the patient complains of pain, you can just select the number, right? The level of the pain. You don't need to write everything that is in the patient is 7 out of 10. You'll just have to select 7 from the list, the drop down box. You'll just have to choose the number you're entering. The most likable there from the feature is it's very convenient. You'll just have to click the button and then you'll just have to select from the choices.
So it's very convenient.
Yes.
Then the second question is how has the HIS impacted your workflow, collaboration with other healthcare professionals, and patient care overall?
Personally, for me as a registered nurse for quite some time, it really helped me to save my time. It's very time-bounded on my part because I don't need to write lengthy assessment, progress notes, data of the patient. I'll just have to click, choose, maybe type, not too long, just a little, and then I'm ready to go.
So Miss, what challenges or difficulties have you encountered while using the HIS, and how do you usually address them?
We understand that by using the technology, we cannot control some of the glitches. Right? These are out of our control, right? But of course, we are going to anticipate that this is going to happen, or we are going to experience this. By being ready, or by assuming that this will happen in the future, the problem internally in this system, we can have our IT departments or IT personnel to be ready on this one, to anticipate, right? Because we cannot control this, right? For example, also your power interruption, right? And yes, I guess so far that's one of the most challenging on my part, the glitches, because it's not easy for you to just access again the system if there is a glitch, right?
Next question is if you had the chance to enhance or redesign a part of the HIS, what would you change and why?
When it comes to the privacy of the patient, I would like each healthcare team member to have its own access, because if you have your username and login, you can just log in anytime, right? That's one of the convenience, right? But then I would suggest that we would make sure that the information that is there for a particular patient should only be accessed privately or confidentially by a particular provider by having a different username and login every time you access the information.
Okay, so let's proceed to the last question. So here it is. So what message would you like to share with your future registered nurses regarding the importance of adapting to digital tools in modern healthcare?
To the future registered nurses, I would like to suggest that you have to continue to be on the job when it comes to the technology, right? It's not that you are not aware of the technology and its usage, but every day you have to continue how to utilize it properly, effectively, and of course you have to make sure when it comes to selecting the correct information assessment. You have to be very careful. Also with the charges when it comes to the usage of the patient, particular patient. Okay? And just be mindful of its proper usage so that you can continue to deliver effective, efficient, safe, and quality nursing care in the